In this video we are going to see how to find a quantity when the given quantity is increased or decreased by some percentage. Okay, let A be the original quantity. Okay, if this quantity A is increased by P percentage, so what is the quantity after increase? So the formula is 100 plus P. So here A is going to be increased by P percentage. So this P has to be added to 100 and 100 plus P percentage of A. Otherwise 100 plus P percentage times A. So this is a formula to find the new quantity after increase. In case the original quantity A is decreased by P percentage, so the formula to find the new quantity is equal to 100 minus P percentage of A, or 100 minus P percentage times A. So when the given quantity is increased by P percentage, the P has to be added to 100. If it is decreased by P percentage, then the P has to be subtracted from 100. So this is a formula. Okay, so let's look at some examples. If 80 is increased by 20 percentage, find the value after increased. Okay, so the formula is going to be 100 plus 20 percentage of 80. So here 80 is increased, so by 20 percentage, so I am adding this 20 to 100. So percentage of the original quantity 80. So 100 plus 20 will be 120 percentage times 80. So 120% can be written as 120 divided by 100 times 80. Then when you divide 120 by 100, it will be 1.2 times 80. Okay, when we multiply 1.2 by 80, we will be getting 96. When the value 80 is increased by 20 percentage, then the value after increase is 96. Let's look at another example. A product is sold at 30% discount. If the original price of the product is $90, find the price after discount. So discount means the original price will be reduced by 30%. So to get the price after discount, you have to subtract 30 from 100 percentage of the original price, which is 90. So 100 minus 30 will be 70 percentage of 90. 70% can be written as 70 divided by 100 times 90. So 70 divided by 100 is just 0.7 times 90, which is equal to 63. That is, when you multiply 0.7 and 90, it will be 63. So if the price, if the price of the product is $90 and it is sold at 30% discount, the price after discount is $63. Let's look at another example. A product is sold at 20% discount. If the price after the discount is $64, find the original price of the product. Here we can assume X is the original price of the product. Okay, now, so the product is sold at 20% discount. That means this original price is decreased by 20%. So to know the price after the discount, we can write 100 minus 20 percentage of the original price. Here we have assumed original price as X. So 100 minus 20% of X. So this expression represents the price after the discount, but it is already given $64. So it has to be equal to 64. 80 percentage times X is equal to 64. So 80% can be written as 0.8. That is 80 divided by 100 is 0.8 times X is equal to 64. My aim is to solve for X, which is the original price. So I just divide both sides by 0.8. 0.8 will cancel out. You just get X is equal to to get the value of this fraction 64 by 0.8, I multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So because the denominator is a decimal number and we have one digit after the decimal point, so to make the division process easier, my aim is to get rid of this decimal point. So since there is only one digit after the decimal point, I multiply this number by 10 to get rid of the decimal. When I do it so, I get 640 in numerator, 0.8 times 10 is just 80 in denominator. 8 goes into 8 one times, 8 goes 64 into 8 times, and there is 1 0. So x is equal to 80. So the original price of the product is $80.